Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video in the View into Huck's World. Today we got a couple of cases we want you to check out. And yes, this is going to be for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now I got a his and hers. I got one for my wife and then I got one for me. All right, the first cases that I bought this year for myself is not given to me by any manufacturer or anything like that, right? So we want to check them out and you just might like these cases. So what I'm going to do is leave the link in the description box down below. I do get a kickback for this. So if you support the link, you support the channel. All right. And with that, I want to thank you all in advance, but let's check out these cases, right? We're going to start off with the misses. And this I asked my wife what she thinks. She absolutely loves it. Out of all the cases she's seen, this one was her favorite. She couldn't wait till this one got in and it's finally here. And I'm loving the design. Now, I was trying to find a case just like this one because I do like the style. I do like this boxy look. I do like the design on the outside. My wife says it's more girly than it is for guys. I was looking for a solid color or something with a manly design. I couldn't find it, but I'm going to leave the link and it's going to take you and show you some more cases just like this one with different designs, right? You got your port cutouts. We're going to check that out. Your volume rocker and also your power button. Mic at the top, speaker at the top. Very nice. I like it. It's got a plasticky feel to it. This is going to pretty much just slide your phone in here and you're going to be in. It's kind of hard on the inside, but overall, I think it's a good looking case. So we're going to see what the cutout is going to be like and also cutout for your ports. So let's grab the phone. Now this looks nice. It feels good inside, has a solid feel, but I like the square feel. I like the way my hand kind of grips the phone and it feels premium. It does feel nice, but the design on here really looks awesome, right? I do like the design. It's got these studs going around it. Now this looks like a trunk, right? The old time trunk, but it looks absolutely awesome as a case. You got these studs on the front as well. Now the lips, they raise a little bit, enough to keep your phone screen from hitting the table. That's going to be nice. But for the camera placement, not so much. The cutout could have been a little bit perfect, but it's not a deal breaker at all because the case actually looks good, but it is not going to protect the module, the camera module at all. So be careful laying it on its back. I would lay it on the front because that's where your protection is going to be. But all in all, it does feel good, but it also comes with this. Now this, you just simply stick on. I'm going to let my wife do this. You stick it on and now you can use it as a prop, you know, to watch your videos and whatnot with. And that looks nice as well. So wherever you decide to put it, that's going to be on you. So again, I'm going to leave this for the wife, but we also want to see if this is charging friendly. No problem. Charges right up. Again, I thought this was a nice look. We're going to continue to look for a solid color in this. And if I do, if you like this, then I'll let you know. But go check it out. I'm telling you, this thing is boss in person. All right, you all, let's check out the case that I got for me. Get this out of this case. And let's check it out. Now, I have not seen a package like this yet. It's called Krill, and it says that it's military grade. It's been drop tested. So I don't know how much protection I'm going to get out of a case like this, but you got some extra buttons, look like it's showing me. So if I want to change them up, I can change them up. And you got some information in here. Just tells you about the company, wants you to share. I'm quite sure it's going to give you the information to go to the website. So let's put this to the side. Now this is the case I got. I got it because it's going to be a case that I might wear from time to time at work. So that was important. They got a tan one like this that looks premium. I might reach out and get that one, and that one to be for when I go out, maybe to tie into a couple of outfits that I may have on. You got this letter right here for the name of the company, Krill. Now this has a like suede texture feel, so it's going to protect the case. Slide this in. All the ports line up. S Pen comes out. You got your charging port, your speaker grill, your mic. Not bad. Now you got like a slight design going on right here on the side. The name of the company. Now the case, I do like this because it is raised, so I can lay it down on the ground. Well, not on the ground, but on the table, and it's going to protect the screen, unlike the other case, right? But this one does feel good in the hand. It feels lightweight, thin, premium, the kind of case that I like. I do not like bulky cases. This is the ideal case for me for every day. For those of y'all who don't know me, I like to have my phone butt naked. It doesn't like to be in a case, but sometime from time to time, I will put a case on just because, and sometime to kind of coordinate with whatever I'm wearing for the day. So I got all black. Again, I'm going to leave the link in the description. Check these cases out. They look absolutely gorgeous. Charging friendly, not bad. What do you guys think? Is this a good look? Is this a great buy? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below because it does help the channel. Make sure you also smash the notification bell so you can get notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Check out my Facebook page just in case you missed out on any of the videos that I've ever put out. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.